This is Ingenious Giacomo, and today we are taking apart a big AC. It's amazing to see how thick the coils were. It's a 8-ton. Was a ceiling mount that we have a horrible time getting it out. And the crazy thing is the drip pan underneath, somehow the main line was clogged. So that's the stuff that was inside this place underneath the ceiling. I mean, it's really crazy. The disgusting stuff you see there, the sludge. Oh my God! Think about it. You know, they were breathing that technically because the air goes through that, and it's crazy. That's pretty bad. That's the stuff. Look how thick are those coils. That's incredible. They are, like we say, like 8 inches. Amazing. That's an old school air conditioning, probably like 15-year-old. That's a piece of the duct work with the stuff that was inside. It's pretty much amazing. Honestly, just incredible how much. And we removed the rest, you know, but that's what was inside the ducts from years and years of usage. And people telling you they breathe in this stuff. The air goes through that. So if you think about that, it's crazy. So this is why you should get your ducts checked. The size of this thing is humongous. That's my hand, so you see the size of those coils. That's crazy. And they were completely pretty much blocked with time, so virtually no air was going through. I mean, the unit was old, don't get me wrong, but that sure helped killing it. Just crazy. And the blower wheel, humongous. Now this is the part, the cleanup. We took out the monster air conditioning 8-ton. They are how big the duct work was compared to a sink. And now we're gonna hang the new unit up. This cleanup process I'm using a spin mop from actually the bucket is a Liebman, my favorite, stainless steel insert, very good. And this is actually from Aldi. It does spin like that. It's very good, so they can actually be exchanged. A mop from a company, the bucket from another one, as long as it's spinning. And they've been pretty reliable so far, this Liebman one. I like the Aldi one too because they have very long air, very absorbent. The water you see around this dirt, you can see pretty bad, is actually from the air conditioning, all the junk inside. So now cleanup process, and then I got to put the ceiling fan back up, rebuild the ceiling, and that's all. Some of the junk, already removed the majority of it, quite a few. Okay, let me get moving with this. Now we put the box up, new support bars, and we just need to put all the guts back in and hook up the duct work, and that's it. And the electrical, of course, and the freon and all that. So we got the unit up, we put the coils in it. We already put the drip pan. As you can see, the coils are inside. The blower is in it. That's the blower, the big plug thing there. And now next thing, we got to finish the duct work using duct board. And then we're ready to roll. Just do the soldering and vacuum it, of course, flush the lines. A few things need to be done, but the unit is pretty much, the worst is over. We are pretty much done with the unit. The tubing is being soldered to it. Everything is just need to hook up the electrical right there. It was a 3-phase, now we went down to a 2-phase unit, and thermostat wire. But outside is done, inside is done. The copper tubing has been connected, so we are ready to go. That's it. Now the final test is going to be turned on, make sure it's cooling properly. I'm going to put a new thermostat, but it is done. This is the AC actually installed, the 4-ton 16 Seer Duquesne. That's the brand Duquesne. They put we put a cage around. It was already there, but just they like in a cage just for protection. So the unit is running beautifully. No issue whatsoever. We pretty much got wrapped it up today. Biggest pain in the neck was, like I say, removing the old 8-ton unit. It was a monster. But besides that, everything ended up being fine. Today we did it technically today and yesterday. Actually it took us 2 days basically. An installation for a 4-ton ceiling mounted split unit for a commercial environment. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up.